So, the question is, ba tayo una malalaman how the market moves? So, this is just an historical 50 years ng market. By the way, tinuturo ko kasi ito sa masterclass, kaya medyo talagang I'm already really expecting this to come. Saan ba siya nagba-based, si market? Dalawa lang naman pinagbabasihan niya. Si dollar, tsaka SPX 500. So, si SPX 500, usually at this period, talagang magre-retrace yan. If you notice, April and May is a peak of the market. Then, the market usually drops and massively drop during the lean month period between June to October. And this is the 50-year average. Yung steep na up usually happens yan between October, third week, up to January. So, kaya if you're gonna be very, very aggressive, usually dapat yan. Around August, September, and October ka nag-add. To be honest, dapat nagre-rebalance ka at this period or nagbabawas ka talaga. Or nagdadagdag ka na lang. And the majority ng positions mo dapat nandun na yun sa quarter 3 of the year preparing for the following year.